Okay, time to clean that oven. And we're gonna use some scrub free. Okay. Okay. And spray this all over. Okay, so we're just gonna let all this set. Let everything, all the stains melt off the oven. Okay. Okay. The stains right here. Okay guys, so make sure you have a mask on when you're doing this, okay? Because that oven cleaner is no joke. Alright, so we're just gonna let all this set. Okay, I'm gonna let it set for at least a good 15 minutes before I start scrubbing and cleaning. Okay? And in the meantime, I would be I'm gonna spray the oven door also. Okay? Okay, ladies, so if you want a clean oven, you gotta put in the work. Okay? Gotta put in that work. Okay, ladies, so look at that. Got it all covered. And I know I'm gonna miss some spots. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be clean, pleasing to my eyes. Okay? So if you want a clean oven, you guys, you gotta put in the work. Don't let your oven get too dirty where it's so much work you're gonna be so tired. So I always try to keep my oven clean. So this is what I did. Alright, so I'll see you in a few when we get down and dirty and scrub this oven. Okay, I'm just wiping the oven door. You guys, it's clean. Just wiping it down. Okay, so the oven door is ready. It's clean, you guys. So now we're gonna tackle this oven. Finish cleaning it. Clean the oven now. So everything has set and the stain should be easy to remove. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay. Okay, you guys. So the oven is ready to clean. So I'm gonna take these racks out and put them over in the sink and wipe them also, but first off we're gonna just wipe it down. And I know all of the stain is not gonna come off, and that's okay, but at least the majority of the stain came off. Okay. So now I'm going to put these over in the sink and wipe them with running water. And now I'm going to get the oven clean. Ooh. I'm just going to wipe all this out. Okay, I think I'm going to get a big towel. I'm going to get this, guys. I just want to get all of this solution that I sprayed out. And then you know you can use SOS pads, which is what I'm, ooh honey, hold on. I'm gonna use my SOS pads to scrub it a little more. Where the stubborn stains are. A minute, you guys. Okay, so I wet my towel. And I'm just gonna go over here at the back of the oven. I mean, well, I'll do the sides first. Let's see if you guys can see. Hold on. Right over here on the sides. Just gonna wipe this down. Back there. Oops. Okay, let me wet it again, you guys. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but I like to get the back of the wall back there too. So I'm wiping the back of the wall on my oven back there also. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, since I got all the spray out the oven, I'm gonna get an SOS pad, but I'm gonna wet it first and then I'm gonna scrub. Okay, so hold on. Okay. Scrub, scrub, scrub. It's not gonna be perfect because child, I just don't feel like making it perfect today. Okay, so I'm just gonna get the major stains that I see out. Not trying to make it perfect. Let me get this side. That's all I'm doing, you guys. SOS pads. So it's no excuse for your oven being dirty. Clean your ovens, ladies and guys. Clean your ovens. Okay, so let me get some towels and clean this and we'll be done. Okay. All right, so let's wipe this out. You still got some stubborn stains right there. Those two stubborn stains bugging me. So I'm gonna scrub it a little more, you guys. Get a little muscle. Gotta get it out. Okay, is it clean? There you go. Oh Lordy, it's so stubborn. Okay guys, so that one little stain that was just so hard to get out, you know what I did? I got this knife, see the stuff that's on it? I scrubbed it off with the knife. So that's one trick. I just did this, see? Okay, and then all I'm gonna do now is just finish wiping it down with some clear water. And I'm done, you guys. So that's the last thing I'm doing, is just wiping it down again, okay? And I'm done. Praise Jesus. Oh my Lordy. And I have to wipe this thing off too, because spray got on it, so I'm gonna wipe it down too, okay? And then that's it. All done. Look at that. You see the difference? Whew, child, I'm tired. I am tired. Okay, so let me finish wiping this down and I'll be back. Okay, you guys. Whew, sister girl is tired. Okay, I just finished my... Okay, you guys, look at that. All done, okay? I just put the finishing touches on it. Everything's clean, okay? All right, so my racks, you guys, I just don't have the energy to get them as clean as I want them, but they're clean enough for now, okay? So next time, the next job would be just to do a real detailed clean on my racks. But today, honey, that's gonna have to work because... So, you guys, that's it. That's my cleaning video. So, this is how I clean my oven, and I keep my oven clean when I'm cooking, you guys, because I do not like a dirty oven. It really bugs me. So, I always keep my oven and my stove clean, and I just like to be clean. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today, okay? So, see, I got the oven really clean, all up in there. See? All right? So, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Now, I have to go take a shower and fix me some lunch so I can enjoy the rest of my day off, you guys. I'm cleaning on my day off. One day off. Oh my God. Okay, so, anywho, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Okay? Okay, you guys, look. Okay, so when I'm done cleaning my oven, I always, I'll turn the oven on and let it run for a little while, for about 10 minutes or at least 10 to 15 minutes, you guys, after I finish cleaning the oven. Okay, so that's it. And now I'm done.